Hey everybody, my name is Isaac. I'm with Bell Media. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your live stream sermons into blog posts. So if you're a pastor or a marketing director for a church and you're trying to increase the website visibility on Google and trying to get your SEO up there and just try to get more people to see your website, this is a great way to do that. What I'm going to start out with is a video from our Facebook live stream from our church. And it is right here. So if you're needing to get that video, we live stream directly to Facebook. So what we do is we go there, and then this is our back end. So if you're going to go to your page, you're going to go to your Meta Business side of thing, your Meta Business suite. You can access that from your profile page, and then you're going to go into content over here on the left hand side, and then you're going to see all your live streams. So once you find your live stream that you want, you're going to click these little three dots, and then you're going to go down to download, and then you're going to hit download SD. So that's standard definition. So once you have that taken care of, you're going to get a download in your download box, put that on your desktop, whatever you want, and then you're going to go to CapCut. So if you've never heard of CapCut before, it's a free software that you can use. It's a website really, and you can create an account today. So I was looking at this, and you can go ahead and download the desktop version, or you can hit try CapCut online. You can sign in. I don't even think you have to sign in. There's a link below if you want to click my link. You can get a free trial or just use it for free with some basic options. And then what you can do is you can throw your video in here. So you're going to go to media, then you're going to click upload. And then once that's in here, just like this, you're going to hit transcribe. So on the left, there's an option called transcript, and you can click transcribe. So this is going to take a few minutes, and once this is finished, you're going to be able to have a downloadable file that is all the captions from the video. Okay, so once it's done transcribing, you're going to go down to where it has a little CC, auto captions. You're going to click that. I've already clicked it, and it's going to take you to this tab right here. This is actually the paid version. So the paid version is going to be able to give you a downloadable captions. If you don't want to pay for the version, you can just do a week trial and cancel it as soon as you're done with this video. Or you can go through and copy and paste all these sections, and then you can put them into another file and then turn that to SRT file. So, but since we're here on CapCut, just get the free trial and cancel it as soon as you're done with the video if you don't want to pay anything. And then you can go ahead and get these auto captions. So these auto captions are great. And then when you have this right here, they're not going to be 100% correct, but that's okay for what we're doing. You're going to click the export captions option, and then you're going to click SRT file. Once that's complete, this is going to be right up here, and that's going to be your downloadable file. So then we're going to go to ChatGPT with the file, and I've created this prompt. It's going to be in the description below, along with the link to CapCut, along with the link to ChatGPT if you don't have any of these things. Everything that I'm using is free. You might have to sign up, but you can cancel it. There's free trials. It's not going to cost you anything. And then, so with ChatGPT, you get some free options. If we get like the first couple of prompts for free per day. So yeah, once you put your email address in, you can have an account and you can start using it for free. You're going to paste in this prompt right here. I have it in the description below. We're going to pull in our SRT file. So we can pull it in from right here and then drag it in. It's going to go and upload, and then we're going to hit the button over here, and then we're going to let that do its thing. Okay, so it's finished with the first part. So how I have it set up is we're going to approve the structure, make sure everything is correct before it writes the blog. So it's received the content, it's giving you a summary right here, and then it's going to give you a detailed sermon outline, so it's breaking it all down. So we don't, since this is the way the service is and not necessarily the way the message is, then we're going to delete the conclusion and the introduction. So these are a little bit unnecessary for the blog post. This one and this one right here. So I'm going to say delete introduction and conclusion. It says, okay, good to go. We're doing that. And then it's going to revise it. And then after the revision, It's going to ask for approval once again. If this looks good, we'll proceed with the SEO optimized blog post and title suggestion. Let me know. Yes, this is good. All right, so that's going to continue on and go ahead and write all the information that you need. And then it pops up in this little thing right here. So this is kind of like a downloadable document. So you have all the prompts on the left, and this is going to give you like the actual document. So you can go ahead and download this once it's finished and send it to your your website master guy who manages the whole thing. Or if you know how to do it yourself, you can go ahead and add that on there. You can download it and you can create a link. So and then this right here is the copy and paste button. So you can just copy this whole thing and then you can put it into what you're looking for. It's gonna be your title right here. And this is all the major portions. I like to structure it to where when I add it to the blog post, I kind of like to have a little bit of this condensed outline portion at the very beginning, kind of as like a table of contents. I like that, and gives people better scripture references. At the end of this blog post, you can have a little button on your website that says, take me to a salvation prayer if you're looking to do some digital evangelism or something like that. If this is interesting to you and you want to know more about how to do these, feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. Also, subscribe. So there's going to be more kind of content like this, utilizing AI for churches and being able to just digitalize the church and being able to grow the church and help pastors get the most that they can from AI, so we can actually build the church with that. So if you're interested in that mission and you want to help people see this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we can show it to more people. All right, have a great day.